Welcome to day one of Rapid Plus TCT. I'm Brandon Ribic, the Technology Director at America Makes, and I'm joined here today with Dave from NSL Analytical. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, doing well. So have you seen anything good here today that's kind of caught your eye?
Yeah, I was at the last show a couple years back, and at the time, one of the things we saw that wasn't real common was ceramic.
Oh, cool.
AM printing, right? So now it looks like that's become much more prevalent. Of course, metal AM is still around, but it's interesting to see many more participants talking about ceramic materials, so that was exciting to see.
That's great. And so you're a technology director at NSL Analytical. What does that entail?
Yeah, so NSL, we're an analytical testing laboratory. We test a lot of materials, ceramics, metals, chemical properties, physical properties, metallurgical, and we can always expand into something new that we have to decide what is it we want to go into, what are the different technologies that are available to us. So that's what I do. I help work with our marketing, salespeople, and all of our customers to find out what is it that they need us to do that we don't do today. So an example of that is like X-ray diffraction. That's something our customers have asked about for a number of years. And after a while, we finally just built up enough drive, so we went into X-ray diffraction, and it was a lot of options on who to buy from, what type of machine to get, and that's what I did. And so there's several other new technologies that we're showcasing, and that's an example of one of them.
Do you get into kind of application specific, like complex testing or rig testing or things like that?
Yeah, we're an ISO 17025 laboratory, so and we're also NADCAP certified, so we do a ton of aerospace materials. In additive manufacturing, we do a lot of powder characterization for metal AM. And that's one thing, we're very involved with the standardization on ASTM F42. And since we are an ISO certified lab, it's a good place to be when there are a lot of standards that are not yet in place, right? So we're working on getting the standards in place. We're helping out there, but until they are in place, our customers are really happy that they have a 17025 lab to go to, that they can trust the general quality time frame in the absence of AM-specific standards. So that's a big part of what we do.
So beyond inspection and testing, what other types of standards are you getting involved in?
We would do all the GE and Airbus, Boeing, so we do all the full aerospace companies. SAE also, ASTM and ISO. Just straight chemistry, so just normal
chemical analysis.
Full chemical analysis and spectroscopy. We have a metallurgical laboratory that does all the mechanical testing and physical testing and failure analysis, and then, like I said, the powder characterization, and as well as polymers and some FTIR type thermal analysis.
That's pretty specialized.
Yep, we do. So we do a little bit of everything.
Awesome, that's wonderful. So, and then where are you located?
We're in the Cleveland area. We have two laboratories right now, just a couple miles apart, and we're actually in the process of expanding. So we'll have more laboratories announced soon.
That's great. With that, it's great to meet you, sir. It's been a pleasure, and thank you so much for taking some time to join us here today.
You bet. It's been a great show. Thank you.